Hi, in this video I will show you the back case for new iPhone 12. This is iPhone 12 in blue color. Nice design, thin, 7.4 millimeter thickness, and the case is clear by SUPCASE. SUPCASE for iPhone 12. iPhone 12, even iPhone 12 Pro, because it's for 6.1 inches screen size iPhone display. Clear case. So we unbox and we see the case. Take it out. This is the company, Facebook, Twitter, and SUPCASE official website, plus YouTube of SUPCASE to follow and subscribe. And this is the clear case for iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. It's nice, and so that you can see your iPhone, or others can see your iPhone with this original color. So we try to insert. It's very easy. This way and this way. That's it. Now you see you can change silent mode, volume up, down, and then the charger, headphone, then power button. Very nice clear case for iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.